mark all your queens or just?
Yep. It's the only way I can know how old they are.
Okay.
I don't mark them till they're laying right though. When I put queens in, I make sure they're laying and doing stuff. It sounds ridiculous. It only takes a minute, but it's a waste. As I was talking about before about the genetic diversity, that drone looks so much different than the other one. You got real thin, narrow bands on that bee. That bee's darker with wider bands. And the more fathers you have, and that one's almost all bands, the better they are at taking care of minor diseases like chalk wounds and stuff like that. They deal with it better. They're all the same. Usually artificially inseminated queens. And it doesn't seem to help. We want this frame simply because of the age of the brood. There she is. I knew the way the bees were acting before I picked it up.
Welcome to Goldener Woodland Farm. Today I'm bringing in new bees. I'm a hobbyist beekeeper for about 5 or 6 years. Moved this bee yard over here in the last few days to get ready for picking up bees this morning. The big fence, which is also an electric fence, is for black bears that we have in the area. I have a video of a black bear walking right through here about a month ago, so that's why we have the big fence here in western Pennsylvania. So let's get to it.